Now we will solve questions from practice set 5.1. Question number 1. By using variables x and y, form any 5 linear equations in 2 variables. By using variables x and y, form any 5 linear equations in 2 variables. So solution. First equation, linear equation x plus y equal to 3. Next is 2x minus 7y equal to 1. Third is x plus 3y equal to 10. Fourth one 3x minus y equal to 5. Fifth one 4x plus 3y equal to 9. So using variables x and y, form any linear equations in 2 variables. So form at least 5 linear equations in 2 variables. Question number 2. Write 5 solutions of the equation x plus y equal to 7. Write 5 solutions of the equation x plus y equal to 7. So x plus y equal to 7. Every linear equation in 2 unknowns has an unlimited number of solutions. Here you have to write only 5 solutions. So x plus y equal to 7. Equation is x plus y equal to 7. So when x equal to 1 and y equal to 6. So 1 plus 6 is 7. So first solution is when x equal to 1 and y equal to 6. Second solution, when x equal to minus 2 and y equal to 9, because minus 2 plus 9 all equal to 7. Third solution, when x equal to 7 and y equal to 0. So 7 plus 0 equal to 7. Fourth solution, x equal to minus 1 and y equal to 8. Minus 1 plus 8 equal to 7. Fifth solution, x equal to 0 and y equal to 7. 0 plus 7 equal to 7. So every linear equation in 2 unknown has an unlimited number of solutions. But here you have to write only 5 solutions. So first one, x plus y equal to 7. Then x plus y equal to 7 is your equation. First solution, x equal to 1 and y equal to 6. Second, x equal to minus 2 and y equal to 9. Third, x equal to 7 and y equal to 0. Fourth, x equal to minus 1 and y equal to 8. Fifth, x equal to 0 and y equal to 7 are the solutions of the given equations. Now question number 3. Solve the following sets of simultaneous equations. Two or more different linear equations having unique set of solutions are called simultaneous equations. So these are simultaneous equations. So solve the following sets of simultaneous equation. First equation is x plus y equal to 4 and second equation is 2x minus 5y equal to 1. Students, there are two methods of solving simultaneous equation. First one is method of elimination by equating coefficient and second is method of elimination by substitution. But this year you will study only method of elimination by equating coefficient. So use this method. So two equations are x plus y equal to 4 and 2x minus 5 equal to 1. Solution. First equation is x plus y equal to 4 and second is 2x minus 5y equal to 1. So to eliminate one of the variables, means to eliminate x or to eliminate y. So to eliminate one of the variables, we observe that in both equations not a single coefficient is equal or opposite numbers. Hence we will make one of them equal. To eliminate one of the variables, either eliminate x or y, we observe that in both equations not a single coefficient is equal. Here for x variable coefficient is 1, here for x 2, here for y coefficient is 1, here for y coefficient is minus 5. So we observe that in both equations not a single coefficient is equal or opposite number. Hence we will make one of them equal. So this is your equation 1, this is your equation 2. So multiply equation 1 by 5. Multiply equation 1 by 5. Therefore 5 into x is 5x plus 5 into y is 5y equal to 5 into 4 is 20. So multiplying equation 1 by 5. Therefore 5x plus 5y equal to 20, and this is your equation 3, and this is your equation 3. Now adding second and third, because we want to eliminate one of the variable. So add equation 2 and 3. Your second equation is 2x minus 5y equal to 1. 2x minus 5y equal to 1, and your third equation is 5x plus 5y equal to 20. 5x plus 5y equal to 20. So for this equation, for variable y, coefficient is 5, and for this minus 5, and for this equation for y, coefficient is 5. So we can eliminate y. So 2x minus 5y equal to 1 and 5x plus 5y equal to 20. Add second equation and third equation. So 2x plus 5x is 7x, and minus 5y plus 5y is 0, and 1 plus 20 is 21. So 7x equal to 21. Therefore x equal to 21 upon 7. X equal to 21 upon 7. Therefore x equal to 3. Therefore x equal to 3. Now find out y. Now substituting the value of x in equation 1. You can substitute in 1, or you can substitute in 2, or you can substitute in 3. So substituting the value of x in equation 1. So your equation 1 is 3 plus y equal to 4. 3 plus y equal to 4. Sorry, your equation 1 is x plus y equal to 4. X plus y equal to 4. So the value of x is 3. So 3 plus y equal to 4. Therefore y equal to 4 minus 3. Y equal to 4 minus 3. Therefore y equal to 1. Y equal to 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. Therefore x equal to 3. X equal to 3. And y equal to 1. X equal to 3 and y equal to 1 is the solution of given equations. Is the solution of the given equations. Now verify what is the value of x. The value of x is here. The value of x is 3 and the value of y is 1. So verify. The value of x is 3 and the value of y is 1. So 3 plus 1, 4. 3 plus 1 equal to 4. Here also the value of x is 3. 2 into 3, 6. Minus 5 into 1, 5. So 6 minus 5 equal to 1. So x equal to 3 and y equal to 1 is the solution of given equations.